If you're living in the past, you're always going to be disappointed. If you're living in the future, you're always going to be anxious. So the best way to find joy and happiness is living right in the moment. G'day everybody, and welcome back to the Weedy Garden, where I talk about banana pups. Out on YouTube there, you see some videos with people putting diesel in their banana pups and kerosene in their banana pups. And I tell you, it's just not the organic way. Because you can do the same thing with a simple glass of H2O. And it's easy. All you need is a knife, or a big knife, and a little knife, and a cup of water. Okay? And it's the friendly way, it's the organic way. I've only got one chance to do this, so I'll do it right. If we want to control our banana pups, because this one needs to go, it's coming out into the swale, so I'm going to have to bend down every time I walk past here soon, which is not good. So we're going to take this one out, because we've got great-grandmother here, we've got grandmother here. Great-grandmother is actually, she's fruiting right now. Grandmother, she'll be here a while. We've got the mother, and we're going to have a little pup out the back there, or out the side here coming up. But this pup's too big, it's going to go. So we take it here, we take our sharp knife, we cut through here, like that. Oh. And then we get the sharp little knife and we try and angle it into the middle, sort of cut the middle out of it like a bowl, see? All the way around. You should be able to just pop that out, see? Just like that. And then all you need to do now is put your water in, and it won't come back, and that'll rot. And that's a much cleaner, friendlier way to do it, and doesn't cost anything. Okay? Oh, I'm not going to put this one in the compost now. So I want Weedy Garden Channel to be a channel where you can come and learn all sorts of stuff about all sorts of things to do with gardening and permaculture and organics. And it's not only what I can share, but it's what you can share as well. And on this video, I'm going to share some things that you've shared with me. I did a video, this one here, about 12 months ago, and in that video I showed that I was chopping my banana pups out, but I was complaining that they kept growing back. So I kind of asked, does anyone know a good idea? And I got a message from one of my subscribers who I think grew up in a banana plantation. She said that when they chopped them out, they stuck a stick in it and put some kerosene in it, or diesel, like I explained, and it kept them from growing up. And I must admit, my initial reaction was, oh no, I'm not going to do that. But then I thought, okay, well, if they've been doing it and they keep doing it and the bananas keep growing, then it's not going to hurt the bananas. I didn't know any other way to stop the banana pups coming up, so I kind of felt like, okay, I'll do that, and I'll show that, and I'll share that. That was a bit controversial in the organic circles. See, okay, let's move on. Okay, another really good thing I learned since I did the last video is that banana juice really stains your clothes. So you can see my Weedy Garden t-shirt, see all these stains on it. I've already washed it twice. They're all permanent now. I don't know if you can see that, but that's dirt. That's from this morning. But banana juice, you won't get that out again, so use your old rags, or just use the Weedy Garden t-shirt and buy another one. Okay, so one of the earlier comments on my last banana video was someone put a link on that comment. You can see the link in the description of the little short. See that short? Although it's a good technique if you've got room, I'm a little bit afraid if I do that for some of my banana trees, they're going to crash into some of my other trees that are planted around, because my food forest is kind of pretty compact. So until I think of another way, I'm going to continue climbing up my ladder. Using my long knife, I can trim the leaves down one at a time, and then I can slowly take the tree down. But the thing I like about the Weedy Garden channel is the stuff I'm learning from the comments below. In all my videos is people come with really good suggestions, and that's how I learned that little trick about the water and the banana pup.
So if you do have any comments, any good suggestions on any themes that I'm doing in my videos, please put them down. Don't feel like Weedy knows everything, because Weedy doesn't know very much at all. Weedy's learning most of this stuff from you guys and your comments. Okay, so be nice and share your love and share your knowledge with everyone else that watches the Weedy Garden, not just me. And some of the good stuff I'll put into videos like I did today. And so what else have we got going on? I've said banana plants are hungry, and they are very hungry. And although I'm feeding them their own great grandmothers, they still like a lot of extra food. So in this handful here, I'm spreading around, most of it's ash. We're starting to get a bit cold here in the Northern Rivers, so I'm burning my wood fire at night time now. So I've got a fair bit of ash. I just sprinkle it around the bananas, because there's potassium, as you know. Just Google, why is ash good for the garden? Helps make big bananas. And because they're hungry, also got a bit of blood and bone in here. Because this is not a real jungle, there's only a little section of jungle, so there's a lot of wildlife that's not coming in here and pooing on the ground. So I've got chicken poo in here as well. You can see this one here has been growing back since last time I cut it, and I didn't put any diesel or any kerosene or any water or anything in it. You can see it kind of grows back. But then we get the little knife, just cut it. Like that. And we take that little piece out here, so we've got a little cup in our pup. And we just pour some water in that, and that'll drown the pup. And as it rains, it'll keep filling up with water, and that will then rot and won't come back. And you've just used water. I'll just give the rest of it a bit of water so I can have a drink, and thanks very much. GoPro, stop recording.